In this video, we are going to see how to make half double crochet. So as usual, I have made a slip knot and I'm making a few chain stitches. I'm going to make around 7 chain stitches. I have made 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chain stitches. From here, I'm going to start making my half double crochet. To make half double crochet, I'm skipping my 2 chains from the hook. 1, 2, and then I'm going to insert on my 3rd chain from the hook. So before inserting, I'm going to take a loop around my hook and then insert on the 3rd chain from the hook, yarn over, pull a loop. Now I'm going to have 3 loops on my hook. Now yarn over, pull through all 3 loops together. Now this is what we call a half double crochet. Yarn over and going to the next stitch, insert, yarn over, pull through a loop. Now it is going to be 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops at a time. I'm going to show you one more time. Yarn over, insert and the next stitch and then pull a loop. Now I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at a time. So this is what we call half double crochet. So after you finish a whole row of half double crochet, for as many chains you have left, now to start working on the next row, I have finished making half double crochet on all the chains. Now I need to start working on the next row. I'm going to make 2 chains, 1, 2, and then flip the working part like this. Now all the chains part have come to your left hand and you will start working from right to left once again. Now skip these 2 chains we have made and the stitches start from here. Now again take a loop, insert into the stitch here, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. This is how we start working on the next row. The same way, finish making half double crochet in all the stitches. Once we reach the end, again make 2 chains, flip over, start working from right to left again. So like this, you can make as many number of rows you require for the project that you work on. In the next video, we'll see how to make double crochet. Bye bye.